Hello, friends. Do you know what day it is today? Can we figure it out together? Can you look on the board and see where we left off yesterday? Sometimes, if we can think of what it was yesterday, that can help us to know what it is today. Do you see what was the last shape we drew for our pattern? That will help you to know what was done yesterday. Can we find it? All of these are empty, and all of these are colored in. Where is our last shape that we did? Do you remember? Orange circle. Very good. Yesterday was orange circle, and it was Friday the 15th. Move one square over, and that tells us what today is. What shape should we draw in there? Can you see? Can you tell by our pattern? Can you guess? What comes after orange circle? I hear some good guesses. Can we go to the beginning and do it all together and see if we're correct? Let's go check. Orange circle, purple triangle, 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 orange circle, purple triangle. Let's put a purple triangle in our square. Are you coloring this on your calendar at home? It's okay if you're not. Some people don't keep track on a calendar. Some people do. Some people put X's at the end of the day so that they know that day is over. There's all kinds of different ways to keep track of what day it is, and that's up to you. Now that we've drawn the purple triangle, what else needs to go into our day? What's happening in the other squares that isn't happening in this square? What's in these squares that this one doesn't have? Did you guess a number? A number. So yesterday was 15. What do you think today is? Oh, I think I heard some people say it. 15. Oh, let's go back to the beginning and count together and see if we are correct. Ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I almost ran out of breath there. 16. Good job. So a 16 is a 1 and a 6. It has two digits, a 1 and a 6. This makes 16. And we say on the calendar when there's a number, we add a to it, 16th. So today is the 16th. We also need to decide what the day is. So do you remember what the name of today is? Let's see. Yesterday was Friday. So let's go up our column and see what today is. Saturday. Today is Saturday. And did you know that there's 7 days in the week? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I love it when you try counting with me. Good job. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we are on the last day of our calendar and the last day of our little days of the week song. So today is Saturday, and I have a Saturday card here. Will you help spell it with me? Let's try. Even if you don't know all your letters yet, you can still try. So we use a capital S because it's the name of the day. So capital S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. And it is the first day of the weekend. That's quite exciting to a lot of people. They get excited for Saturday and Sunday because they don't have to do as many work or school type things for most people. Some people still work on the weekends, but so we've got today is Saturday the 16th. So we also need to have the month. Do you remember what the month is? It's way up here. It starts with a J, capital J, January. That's right. Let's spell it together. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. January. And it is the first month of the year. And do you remember how many months are in a year? Let's count together and see if we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Do you think you can say all of their names with me? Let's give it a try. Even if you don't know them, try with me. That's how we learn. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. So today is Saturday, January 16th, and the year is 2021. So let's go to our sentence. Today is. So the first word in our sentence has a capital T because it's the first word in the sentence. Anytime you have a sentence, the first word is always capitalized. So today is Saturday. So capital S A T U R D A Y, and then a comma so we know to pause. Saturday, January, capital J A N U A R Y. Saturday, January 16th. So a 1 and a 6, 16, and then a comma. And then we're going to put up the year, 2021, 2021. 2021, period. So now that we've got all of our information in for our calendar and for our date, let's say the whole sentence together. Today is Saturday, comma, January 16th, comma, 2021. Let's try one more time. Today is Saturday, January 16th, 2021. End. That period tells us to stop. Good job. Did you have a chance to look outside today to see what the weather is like? Today is exciting. I'm so excited for today. There was no sun and there was some clouds in the sky, and the clouds were doing something fun. Can you guess? What do you think that is? Let's see. Do you think there was a little bit of sun and a little bit of clouds? No, I said there was no sun. Good memory. What about cloudy? I said it was cloudy and no sun, but I said that the clouds were doing something. So that's not it either. What about windy? Windy? No, it's not windy out. What about rainy? Not quite. That would be fine, except it's winter here. So it normally doesn't rain in the winter. Usually it's too cold and the raindrops would freeze. So it's not nice enough for it to rain. Snowy? It's snowing here. Our clouds are dropping big, fluffy snowflakes. It's so fun outside right now. So let's put snowy on our weather board, and we are going to put a tally mark beside snowing. Can you help me find it on our weather chart? The first one is sunny, but it's not sunny. Cloudy? Technically it's cloudy, but the clouds are doing something. So let's keep going. Is the clouds raining? Nope, the clouds are not raining. Snowing? Yes. That snowflake means snowing. So I'm going to use a tally mark. Do you remember? Put your finger up to the sky and strike it down. That's the tally mark, or the number 1. So I'm going to put a tally mark right here. Can you count the tally marks with me so we can see how many snowy days we've had in January? 1, 2, 3. 3 snowy days in January. That's great. So next we're going to look at the agenda. So this is my agenda, CELYNNE, and there's an apostrophe S here to show that it's mine. And we spell agenda, AGENDA. And let's flip it to the day of the week that we are on. It's kind of fun to look back through my agenda to see what I've done. It's a good thing so that we can have it in our memory and see that we're actually doing quite a few things. So yesterday was Friday, January 15th, and I said I was going to do the dishes, and I did that because we had lots. So we got caught up and we did our dishes. So I'm going to check that off. And then I'm going to turn the page and start with today, which is Saturday. SATURDAY, comma, capital JANUARY, and it is the 16th today, so I'm going to put number 16, comma, 2021. So it's 16 days. It's the 16th day, so we have 16 days, and I'm going to write out 16. All my numbers up to 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I ran out of room, so I'm going to come down over here. 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm going to draw a snowflake because it's snowing outside. Let's see. What do your snowflakes look like when you draw them? Did you know that no two snowflakes are alike? So that's my snowflake. So I know that it's snowing. So today, I'm not going to go outside because it's snowing. I'm going to wait, and then I'll go outside tomorrow. But I might go for a little bit to catch some snowflakes on my tongue. But what I'm going to do today, because it's snowing outside and I can't play in the snow just yet because it's too cold and big snowflakes are coming down and blustering around, I'm going to make my own snowflakes today. Have you ever made your own snowflakes out of paper? It's quite fun. So I'm going to draw some scissors. Now let's go up this way and come down, and this can have a little circle on it for my scissors. And then I'm going to go up this way and make a little loop for my finger squint. Does that look like scissors? What do you think? And then I will make a snowflake out of paper. So let's just draw my paper around like this. I'm not sure what it's going to look like yet because I haven't cut it out yet. I don't know what the pattern will be. But they kind of look like this, maybe with some squares or triangles or circles, but I'm going to make a paper snowflake. And I will take a video of it. So you watch for it. That video will be posted today, and you can learn how to make your own snowflake with some scissors. Always ask an adult before you use the scissors because they'll need to help you depending what kind of scissors you have. There's some scissors, safety scissors that are made for children, and that will help you to start cutting on your own. But if you don't have those kinds of scissors, your parent may need to cut it out for you. So I'll print my name here because I want to practice with my name every day. Capital C, E, L, Y, N, N, E. And if you don't know how to do all your letters yet and to print your month and your day, you can just practice with a letter. So we're practicing the letter U right now, and you can practice it at home as well. Start at the top like this with your finger and come down and up like a scoop at the bottom. Let's try again. Up at the top, down, scoop, and up. So on our paper, we're going to start at the top here and come down and go up. Come down and go up. And this is an uppercase U or a big U. And this is a lowercase u or a small u. So we're going to start at the top, come down and scoop up, and then come down and put a little tail on. That's how you know it's a small one. It has a little tail. So if you practice your letters every day, pretty soon you will be good at all the letters, and you'll be able to print any words that you want. Now, let's see my feeling face. I was feeling pretty content yesterday because I got all of my things done. And let's see how I'm doing today. So I could be content like I was yesterday. Sometimes we can feel the same way 2 days in a row. Sometimes our feelings change throughout the day. So I could be really happy. Do you think I'm happy about today? I'm going to make some paper snowflakes for decorations, and it's snowing outside. So I'm kind of excited that tomorrow I get to go outside and play in the snow. I could be sad because it's snowing and I might have plans already to go outside and now I can't go outside. That is kind of sad, but I found something to do. So I'm not really sad because I replaced what I was going to do outside with something that I'm going to do inside. Do you think I'm angry? I could be angry that I can't go outside, but I don't think it was that important to me. So I wouldn't be too angry, I don't think. What about nervous? Do you think I'm nervous today? How about I'm a little bit sad that I can't go outside, but I'm a little bit happy because it's going to be snowing tomorrow and I'm going to make some snowflakes for a craft today. So that's kind of like, well, I'm doing okay. I'm not really happy with what's happening today, but I'm not really upset. So I'm just kind of so-so. Do you ever just feel so-so? So that's what I'm going to be today. I'm going to be so. So I'm going to leave that there. And then I'm going to do something kind today. So I'm going to do snowflakes, and I'm going to video it so that I can show you how to make snowflakes, which is very kind. But I'm also going to call my friend and see how she's doing. I'm going to say hello and see how her week is going. What are you going to do that's kind today? Do you think you could ask your grown-up if you could call somebody and see how they're doing? Do you have a friend that you haven't talked to in a long time? Or maybe you just saw them yesterday and you just can't wait to talk to them again today. What about a grandma or a grandpa? An uncle? An auntie? Maybe a teacher that you haven't seen in a while? There's all kinds of people. Maybe a neighbor? Ask a grown-up if you can call somebody, just say hello. See how they're doing. That's a kind thing to do. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoy being kind today. And I also hope that you will join me again tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.